iSaloni, one of the largest design fairs in the world, boasts of over 3 lakh visitors and 1,300 exhibitors. It's a place where you see the latest designs for your interiors. But then you also see some of the quirkiest ideas on display. One of the highlights of iSaloni every year is the satellite area. This basically is the area that's given to young designers, upcoming designers, quirky designers who are not always looking at selling what they create. And that means you get to see some really edgy, really creative stuff right here. At the Saloni Satellite this year, we found a host of interesting options to sit around on. From unusual shapes to the use of unusual materials, there was mind-boggling innovation, like this dressed-up chair family. In fact, even stools meant for taking a break had a designer edge. This scruffy chair we liked is aptly part of a collection called Witchcraft. Why do you call this Witchcraft?
Yeah, because it's made from brooms, and this is a kind of sorghum. This is a plant, an infested plant that deals with witches. So that's why Witchcraft.
Okay, you've obviously created this. Do you see any commercial aspect in, creating something like this, or this is just giving you to your creative streak?
No. I just talk about the brooms and the fact that this fiber is very, very resistant, and it's a great material for me.
Do you see people buying something like this?
I don't know. Someone said that it will scratch his back, but I don't know. I don't know really. Actually, it's very. If you want to try it.
All right, it's gonna be okay. Let me try. Yeah, you're right about the scratching the back bit.
No, yeah.
Scratches the back? Sure, this chair does. But quirkier stuff was still to come. For a part here, we also found design created to maximize utility. Like this drawer chest where you can move every drawer individually to create new shapes and new designs. Or these honeycombed bean bags. You could change these around to suit yourself. I met Nuno Soares, an architect and designer from Macau, who created the 2-in-1 double chair. Why the idea of having 3 things which are actually bundled into one final thing, which is this chair right here?
Our design studio is in Macau, so Macau is a very small city, houses are very small, and the idea is to create one object that can perform different functions without using too much space. If we take the cushions and we open, it turns into 2 chairs that we can use side by side together. And we can then close again.
And this is actually a table then, I mean...
No, it looks like a table, but
it's not a table.
Okay. And then you can use it also as a side table to put your bag while you're seated.
The focus really is on making design relevant to daily existence. So remember to look for multifunctional pieces next time you are shopping for your interiors. And another trend to watch out for is products that are made of recycled material. This audio installation is actually made of metal picked from a junkyard. This is all made out of recycled stuff. I mean, the speakers are old speakers from old radios and transistors. The aluminum that you see in here, it's all from used cars, old cars, stuff that you and I actually consider trash. In fact, sustainability was high on the agenda throughout the iSaloni. And a lot of eco-friendly solutions came from Enlightenment. We mean innovative lighting solutions.
So combining this material with a very, very energy efficient light source makes a lamp that is as eco-friendly as you can get.
More on that after the break. And some expert advice on what to watch out for in the home decor space in the future.
What we are seeing at this fair, and really the flavor is really things which are more colorful and more expressive.